This is the patio greenhouse. Unboxing. And so here we have all of the components. And so you want to make sure you count them and organize it before you start so you won't have trouble finding anything. So here's step 1. Here's the instructions. And here's how it should look after you've completed step 1. Now we're looking at step 2. Here's step 2. And this is the completion of step 2. Again, we have step 3. This is the step 3 instructions. And here's the completion. Next is step 4. Here's the step 4 instructions. And here's the completion. Step 5. Here's the step 5 instructions. Here's the completion. Here's step 6. Here's the step 6 instructions. And here's how step 6 should look like. Here's step 7. Step 7 instructions. Here's how it should look like. Step 8. Step 8 instructions. Completion of step 8. Step 9. Step 9 instructions. Completion of step 9. Step 10 and the final step. Here's the step 10 instructions and the completion. Here's the racks. Hope this video helps in your assembly and buy decision process. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.